Apple is about to step into a category that could quietly replace how you use your phone in public. And no, this isn't another overhyped XR headset moment. This is way more subtle, way more wearable, and honestly, way more dangerous to competitors. We're talking about Apple's first ever smart glasses. Not a concept, not a lab prototype, a real product that could land as early as this year. And here's the thing, Apple doesn't usually enter a category unless it believes it can dominate it. So whatever these glasses turn out to be, they're not just another gadget, they're Apple's next long-term play. Now, what exactly are we getting? The design is still a mystery, but some fundamentals are almost guaranteed. Expect built-in cameras because Apple won't miss out on real-world capture and AI-based visual recognition. Apple has already nailed spatial audio, and integrating that into glasses is the obvious next step. And AI, well, it's 2026. If it doesn't have deeply embedded AI features, something's gone very wrong. But beyond these basics, things start getting a bit messy. There's a new rumor floating around, picked up by Mac Rumors, claiming Apple could introduce camera-based hand gesture controls. The idea is that one of the onboard cameras would track your hand movements and convert them into inputs, basically letting you control the glasses mid-air without touching anything. And to be fair, this isn't entirely new tech. Devices like the Meta Quest 3 and Apple's own Vision Pro already use hand tracking. You can pinch, swipe, and interact with virtual elements just by moving your hands. But here's where reality kicks in. Those devices are massive compared to a pair of glasses. They've got room for serious hardware, larger batteries, and dedicated processing power. Trying to shrink that same capability into something as lightweight as everyday eyewear? That's a completely different challenge. And that's exactly why this rumor is raising eyebrows. Even Mark Gurman, who's been consistently accurate with Apple leaks, is skeptical. According to his reporting, there are two major roadblocks: processing power and battery life. Let's break that down. Hand tracking isn't simple. It requires constant camera input, real-time image processing, and AI interpretation all happening instantly. That kind of workload drains power fast. And in a device as small as smart glasses, battery is already the biggest limitation. So if Apple tries to force in gesture controls, something has to give. Either battery life tanks or performance becomes inconsistent. There's also a more practical question. Does Apple even need this feature right now? Early reports suggest that Apple's first-gen glasses might not even include a full display. That means no floating UI, no augmented overlays, constantly sitting in your vision. If that's true, then a complex input system like gesture tracking becomes unnecessary. Think about it. If you're not interacting with a visual interface, what exactly are you gesturing at? That's why simpler controls make more sense. Touch-sensitive frames, voice commands via Siri, maybe even subtle head gestures. These are all proven, low-power solutions that already work well. And honestly, they're enough. People often underestimate how effective simple touch controls are on wearable tech. Swipe to skip, tap to pause, hold to activate voice that's already intuitive. It doesn't need to be reinvented with sci-fi gestures, especially in a first-generation product. So while the idea of Apple introducing groundbreaking hand tracking in glasses sounds exciting, it's probably getting ahead of reality. This feels like one of those rumors that sounds impressive on paper, but falls apart when you consider Apple's priorities: reliability, battery life, and seamless integration. And that last part is where things get really interesting. Because Apple doesn't need a flashy experimental feature to win here. Apple's strength has never been about being first. It's about being the most polished. So instead of expecting some wild, futuristic control system, it's smarter to expect something refined. Something that just works better than anything else in the category. No gimmicks, no unnecessary risks, just a product that quietly slips into your daily life and then refuses to leave. And if Apple gets that balance right, these glasses won't need a wow feature like hand gestures. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Apple glasses? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.